Hi, this is Outdoor Gear Guy. I'm absolutely giddy with excitement to open the Reebok Nitrous. These are absolutely gorgeous smart glasses from Lucid. This is a startup in Miami, and I cannot wait to check this out. I have my Gerber Armbar Slim multi-tool. First off, I really love this red colorway. It's vibrant, it's exciting, it's sexy, and it's something different. I can see that Lucid took the time to really emphasize presentation, luxury. It's got a nice Reebok branded hard case. Also have a Reebok branded cloth wipe. These are the glasses. They have a integrated speaker system in them. I can tell right out of the gates that the lenses are very good. I cannot wait to hear what the Bluetooth audio sounds like. You can see that the sides of the lenses are very thick. They have a rubber guard here on the end, and then you have a rubber nose pad so that they'll stay on when you're doing your outdoor activities, you're running, you're biking. Again, they were designed for athletics. All right, now I'm going to pair these up to my phone. Okay, so we got our toggle on the bottom here. We have our volume. We have our microphone. Okay, so let's press the bottom here. Okay, and it speaks to you. You can hear it pairing on. All right, so I'm in my phone here. Okay, let's see here. Reebok eyewear shows up in the available devices. Okay, Bluetooth pairing request. Pair with Reebok eyewear, yes. It tells me that it's connected. I'm going to open my Amazon Music. All right, I've opened up Protege's Big 45. Wow. It's a lot fuller than the Bose Bluetooth glasses that I had years ago. It almost feels like I have earbuds on. I'm actually in shock that for a sunglasses that's projecting audio to me, it sounds like I'm wearing earbuds. Okay, let's see here. With the glasses at the front of my face, I can hear the audio. It's a little clearer. About a couple inches from my eye, I can hear it completely clear. Pressed flush with my face, I can hear it completely. So I'd encourage you to check these out. They have a long battery life. I'll discuss that more in my in-depth review, but I'm very impressed so far. All right, let's see here. It's got a booklet. Curious to see how I charge these. Okay, the charging cable is proprietary, so you're gonna wanna put this somewhere safe because this will be a hard part to get replaced. Looks like it connects into some type of USB-C connection, so you're gonna have to get your own USB-C cable to charge this. I can hear the vocals clearly, as well as the bass, as well as the instruments. For a full analysis of the audio, check out my first impressions video.